assignment because circumstances compel him to move out of the Chandigarh to Lucknow, Nawabon ki Nagri. He became member in District 3120 in 2007 and got President Citation Award. You can say it was our luck. He again came back to Chandigarh. I persuaded him to join Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown. Before joining the Rotary, we were both in JCs. This is also an international NGO. He agreed and I made him member in December 2012. He is having great enjoyment and have endless energy with supersonic speed. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, मेहनत करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. In due course of time, he was inducted to the board and served 2 terms as Director Youth Service. Never looked back and rose to the rank of Joint Secretary, Vice President. In the year 14-15, he got Rotarian of the Year Award from District Governor Dalip Patnaik. 15-16, he was recognized in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by District Governor David J. Hilton. 16-17, District Governor Raman Aneja gave award of outstanding and distinguished service to the community. In the year 17-18, he was recognized conducting the session on group discussion in the teachers training program. 18-19, he was secretary of the club. 19-20, he was again recognized for supporting, helping in the formation of 4 RCC, 3 Rotaract, 3 Interact in the Rotary year 1920. 2021, he was the president-elect. He is a lamp whom we call Rotarian Salil Chopra, PHF. Now I hand over the meeting to him. 3 cheers for the president. Thank you.
Thank you, Prem sir. इतनी elaborative introduction I don't deserve, but वो आपकी मित्रता है, आपका अपनापन है, जो कि आप भावभीत होके इतना कुछ कह गए. Today is the day of introduction of the chief guest. But anyway, what you have done to me, I'm grateful and thankful to you. Friends, I greet you, welcome you today in the first meeting of Rotary year 21-22. And here I would call upon our PTC, Ma'am Neeru Khattar, to invoke the invocation. Over to ma'am.
Thank you. जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने ते सोई सोई देवे, जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने ते सोई देवे. नानक दास मुख ते जो बोले, इहा उहा सच होवे. जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने ते सोई सोई देवे. Whatever I ask my Lord and Maker, He grants me, and whatever I utter from my mouth proves true here and there. Chatur disa कीनो बल अपना, सिर ऊपर कर धार्यो. चतर दिशा कीनो बल अपना, सिर ऊपर कर धार्यो. कृपा कट अवलोकन कीना, दास का दुख बिदारियो जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने दे सोई देवे. The one who has control over all the four directions has put his loving hand on my head and watches over me with his vian of mercy, dispels all my pain. हर जन राखे गुरु गोविंद, राखे गुरु गोविंद. हर जन राखे गुरु गोविंद, राखे गुरु गोविंद. कंठ लाए अवगुण सब मेटे, दयाल पुरख बख्शंद. कंठ लाए अवगुण सब मेटे, दयाल पुरख बख्शंद. जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने दे, सोई सोई देवे. The teacher of all keeps one safe. He embraces me. He erases all my vices. The merciful, forgiving, masterful. जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने दे, सोई सोई देवे. नानक दास मुख ते जो बोले, यहाँ वहाँ सच होवे. जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने दे, सोई देवे. सोई देवे.
Thank you, Niruji, for sweetly worded invocation in such a melodious voice. Very nice. I have another version of this. बिन बोलिया सब कुछ जानदा, बिन बोलिया सब कुछ जानदा. This is again the same prayer, but in a different mode, man. Thank you very much for that. Thank you. My dear friends, my chief guest, our chief guest, Ruby ji. You know, his name is same. You know, he keeps spreading the sparkles. Ruby is meant for that. He keeps spreading sparkles, you know, and you got to collect them. If at all you see from any angle, you will always find different rays coming from Ruby. So that kind of person we have today. And we are so fortunate to welcome him today in this meet, because this year started very well with us. Yesterday we had DG, you know, who chose me as his right hand, because I was sitting on his right hand. Today we have FDG, means former district governor, T.K. Ruby. And then on 16th we have Jitendra ji coming as a guest of honor. So I think nothing good can be that we get three personalities in a half of the month. I'm so sure with my members attraction, with the club attraction, I will have more people joining us at many events, you know. Thank you, TK ji. Bahut acha laga. My dear friends, I remember there was one, he's TKR. I remember one TKB. TKB was a vice president in Godrej. very active, dynamic, and ever you try to see him, he's having a multivitamin kind of dose that he will inject you in that you will have to meet your targets. I think they said quality lives in TK. B or R, no matters. It is TK, which carries the people, which, greets the people, and which makes the people work harder and sweeter and smarter way. God graced big start and blessings of the top brass, leadership of the district, and expecting RI blessings too very soon. Because we have on our anvil getting blessings from RI, maybe during our installation or maybe in other form. Sir, let me introduce you for the events our club performed yesterday. We were very, very busy yesterday, right from 8 o'clock till 8 o'clock, means 8 in the morning and 8 in the evening. We were on the roads performing. People had all the kind of projects, where they gathered, where they participated, and they enjoyed also. I would like to show you the glimpse of the projects. Just in a few minutes, you will find them, how interesting projects we had conducted yesterday. Babaji, can I have your participation, please?
Reza, do you want me to start the slide for this?
Please.
Yeah.
These are details of projects which we conducted yesterday, beside the road track projects, which they were conducting by themselves. So we had series of projects, like we had to start with tree plantation, and that was on the roadside, kind of fence being made as the government is doing today. So we also participated with the two agencies. One was Housing Welfare Society, and the other was some RCC kind of thing. They all participated in that. And we had in Sector 42 Community Center, done by Vocational Drive itself for the employees. You can see from the screen the participation of Rotarians as well as the people from the crops as well as the housing society. You can see the plants being put right on the roadside. Now, this is a camp organized for HP, Hindustan Petroleum employees. They were present there themselves, and they supported the project thoroughly and truly. Next. This is the people there for waiting for the turn. Next is tree plantation in our signature project, Pir Mashallah School, elementary school, which has been created by our architects. Means we got donors, we got people, like Kanand ma'am, like Ram Sasriya ji, like Ashok Puri sir, and many other people, who joined in donating the money. And this project rose to 28 lakhs rupees without global grant. We did that project, sir. And we're planting the trees in the school itself. Next, please. This is a nutrient. This is again nutrient distribution done in government civil hospital, Mani Majra, where sits the in charge of TB, for the whole union territory. With his support, we could distribute the very expensive nutrients to these people. If you see them, sir, they are very, very thin in structure. 75 people deserve best quality of nutrients, and we have promised them every month or every bi-weekly, we'll try to distribute the nutrients to these kind of people, Next. We had, this is the one same project. The doctors are standing besides us, and we are speaking to them. Next. This is again at the same place. No,
sir, railway station. Food distribution at railway station by the road track.
It was a noble project for the coolies we conducted yesterday, where we distributed dry ration to them because they were feeling great hardship, not earning that much as they could survive. So under Suchi ma'am and other people, they all went and they delivered this food to them. Next. This is the project I was speaking to you. Our ma'am Anupam Jain has sponsored a project, for the orphans of COVID. Whosoever is badly affected, she promised them that she will be able to give them education to learn and then earn, because they should not be seen on the roadside. Rather, they should be able to, earn by themselves. So our DG Ajay ji, he came to inaugurate the project. This is meant for complete entire district. People can select the children and we can enroll them for a free, absolutely free program, which is otherwise worth 6,000 rupees each candidate. So that is all. Anupam Jain explained also the program very well, and the entire district was listening to her and getting to the tips of that. Next. Yeah. Public image project at Sukhna Petrol Pump, Sector 28. This is of its, I think this is, no, this is tree plantation, sir. Moved. This is the one. This is the one. So again, with the DG hand, we could do this installation where we are creating awareness towards environment. This is a must. And I am very careful about the environment awareness, and I'm trying to spread it through my members everywhere, every corner, so that tomorrow Mother Earth should not suffer, as other mothers are suffering today because of orphanage. So we are looking into that deeply. And this another one is also coming up in Sector 17 petrol pump, which will be done by day after tomorrow or tomorrow at the most. Next. This is again tree plantation drive. Same thing we're trying to show you, the same slide. This is again repeating it. Next.
So we are done with the slide now.
Okay. So this is all about the projects, but they have missed another good project of Rotrex. They had gathered under the leadership of our leader, Jitan Bhamri, and they are all gone to distribute food as well as sanitizers, masks, and they make the children wear the masks there and there. So that was a very good project. And again, tree plantation carried by them up in colony opposite Sector 25, where the very poor people live, and they did the job, So overall, sir, let me tell you, we were doing every project enthusiastically over the Zoom in the presence of people, and I had very much good attendance at most of the project, So that shows people enthuse. And let me compliment here people like Anup, Premji, Rita Kalra ma'am. I got a number to explain you, sir. Even Salil Bali sir was there about all the projects. Even Deepak Sood, he promised me right from morning till evening. He was there itself, sir. So the people performed very, very well. They deserve a big clap. And I would request people, our members, or you, sir, also, to clap for them once, Thank you. Thank you. So that was all about the yesterday. We have lined up many other projects also, sir, for the future. And we'll be intimating you about their performance, about the people involvement, and about everything. So not taking much of time here, sir. Let me call upon Dr. Rita Kalra for introduction of yours, sir. I know you don't deserve any introduction. I know you are a keynote speaker at many places. I know you're a Rotary thumb itself, and I know you're a motivational speaker. I think anybody you speak, people get motivated to follow you. So this is what I find in you. That is why we love you all. And sir, in your address, do have one thing, sir. We got many new members, prospective members, may be present today. So try to motivate them that they can, they can become the Rotarians for our future time. Over to you, Rita ji.
Chief guest, Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all, and welcome to the first weekly meeting of Rotary year 21-22. Today we have gathered here to start something new and trust the magic of business. As we start the magical journey, we need to retreat and look back at the opportunities we had, the challenges we faced, and the moments of gratitude we experienced during the year gone by. Well, friends, whenever we think of change, we should think of opportunities, opportunities to increase impact, to expand our reach, to enhance participant engagement, and to multiply our ability to adopt and adopt. And our keynote speaker today is here to enlighten us on RI presidential theme as we embark upon the journey of service to change lives this Rotary year. The first generation businessman with experience of over 25 years in pharmaceutical and healthcare industry, our guest speaker today is chairman of Raymond Group of Companies. He has been the key strength behind the zenith of success of his organization, where it is here today. Born and brought up at Muktsar, Punjab, to a renowned family of agriculturists, his passion for agriculture still binds him to his roots, and he continues to farmer his fields in Panchkula and Muktsar. He is a proud alumnus of Punjab University, Chandigarh. Some of the less known facts is he is a trained and a certified life coach and healer from the grandmasters like Stephen Covey, author 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Robin Sharma, author Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, Dr. Betsa Burr, Canada, and also my mentor, Ashit Ghosh, India. He is an Osho disciple and an ardent believer of Hindu spirituality and Sufi rituals. He is a professional business coach, and all his earnings from his passion goes for charity. He is a charter member of Rotary Club Himalayan Ranges Mansa Devi since 2000, and he has served as club president 2002-2003, and he was district governor RID 3080 2017-18, Rotary Making a Difference. Currently, he's on many prestigious assignments at national and international forum. He's DRFC 2019-22, COL representative 2020-23, Assistant Regional Public Image Coordinator Zone 4, Zonal Coordinator for Rotary India Mission, Trainer for International Training Assembly 2021, Assistant Regional Coordinator for Membership Zone 4, and National Coordinator for COVID Task Force India. His passion to serve and restore dignity draws him to service projects dedicated to destitute children like Hamari Kaksha, Choti Si Asha, Hunar. All such projects which make youth employable and economically independent are close to his heart. Married to Vita Sharma, the couple is major donor, benefactor, and blessed with daughter Shivangi and son Sivansh. They are well settled in life, and the entire family is PHF. Friends, it cannot be mere coincidence that people with name Ruby have powerful motivational and communication skills. They have a simple living and are devoted to work. They are talented, creative, and inventive, and have strong managerial and vital leadership skills. They have the ability to rise to the top in any field they choose to be. These people are actually social activists. They raise donations, charity, and have a big courage to help others. Highly inspiring, they are dreamers, visionaries, and idealists. They also often have a deep spiritual aspect to them. Although it started as a nickname, the popularity of Ruby grew so much that our Rotarian TK had to incorporate Ruby in his identity on passport and Aadhaar card. Now, ladies and gentlemen, amidst your terrific celebration, I invite on microphone my district governor, Rotarian TK Ruby, for an enchanting discourse on RI presidential theme, Serve to Change Lives. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so very much, Dr. Rita, for very, very generous introduction. Nothing can be better than to begin जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने थे, सोई सोई देवा। नीरू जी, वंडरफुल, इट वाज, इससे प्यारे इस कोई शब्द नहीं हो सकते एक रोटरी के साल को शुरू करने के लिए। कि परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, सलिल चोपड़ा जी आपके लिए है शेर ये, कि परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पंख बोलते हैं, वो लोग अक्सर खामोश रहते हैं जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं। Salil, district has a lot many expectations from you. I was surprised that how can you start your day at 8 o'clock? Because I personally know you start your projects at 5 o'clock, and that's too on 1st January. Chilly mornings when once I and Sabu Saab joined you at Sukhna Lake. Do you remember that?
Yes, very much.
So we want to see our Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown incoming president starting the projects at 5 o'clock. That is the kind of expectations
Sure, sir.
your club is having. I'm very happy today. Let me address the protocol. Newly installed President Salil Chopra, Club Secretary J.S. Bawaji, outgoing President Sanjay Bhatia, outgoing Secretary Suchi Thakur, outgoing Assistant Governor Dr. Rita Kalra. I am very happy to be amongst my friends in Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown. Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown has a very, very special place in my heart. To begin with, मुझे कई बार बहुत मान होता है, कई बार बहुत अभिमान होता है, ऐसे मेरे दोस्त हैं रोटरी चंडीगढ़ मिडटाउन में। कश्तियां सबकी किनारों पे लग ही जाती हैं। मेरा ना आजकल रोटरी ट्रेनिंग में बड़ा एक फेवरेट डायलॉग है कि आप समझ तो गए होंगे, तो मैं कभी आपके क्लब में आऊंगा तो पूरी बात समझा दूंगा, मगर कुछ मेरे दोस्त समझ तो गए होंगे मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, कि कश्तियां सबकी किनारों पे लग ही जाती हैं, ना खुदा जिनके नहीं होते उनका खुदा होता है, उनका खुद खुदा होता है। ऐसा एक खुदा जैसा दोस्त मुझे आपके क्लब में मिला। Yes, my dear friends, you are right. I am referring to Ravi Tulsi ji, Ranjana ji. Tulsi sir, pranam, sat sri akal. I am blessed to have so many good friends around the world, and very, very few and very, very special are in Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown. To name a few, Dr. Balram Gupta, my batchmate president, has a very, very special place in my Rotary life and otherwise also. सिर्फ मैं नहीं, मेरे बच्चे भी उनको बहुत एडमायर करते हैं। मेरी डॉटर जब उनकी इंस्टॉलेशन पे मैडम किरण बेदी से मिली तो वो मोमेंट उसकी जिंदगी के जो बड़े चेरिश्ड मोमेंट्स हैं उनमें से वो उसको मानती है। Then Ritu, I can't see Ritu Singhal is a very, very dear and a very good friend. She is a mentor and a very special place in my life. Deepak Sood is there. Hi Deepak, how are you? I can see you. Then Kulvinder nahi nazar aa raha, Babaji nahi hamare nazar aa rahe.
Thank you.
Rakesh and Anupam are very, very special friend to me. Pallav is there. Yes, I could see. Yes, Pallav is there. Maybe वो थोड़े side पे होंगे. Then Prem ji, Dr. Sanjay, Dr. Rita, and your few stalwarts: B.L. Ramsinsaria, T.S. Anand, Dr. Vora, Kanan ji, अर्जुन सिंह जी, अजीत गुलाटी, इन सब की तरफ हमने इस तरह से देखा हुआ है। रोटरी में इनका मुकाम इतना बड़ा है कि जब भी बीएल रामसरिया का नाम आता है तो मेरा ख्याल है डिस्ट्रिक्ट के सारे रोटेरियन ही बहुत मान सम्मान के साथ, सर आई रिकॉग्नाइज यू, मेरा आप सबको बहुत बहुत प्रणाम। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, today you have given me a topic to talk about the Rotary theme, serve to change. Our international president, Shekhar Mehta, says that caring for serving others is the best way to live because it changes not only the other people's but also our own perspective in life. जब हम दूसरों के लिए कुछ काम करते हैं तो दूसरों को तो जो मदद मिलती है वो मिलती है, मगर उसके साथ हम खुद बदलते हैं। जब मैं ये पढ़ रहा हूं तो ये बोल रहा हूं तो मैं ये कह सकता हूं कि yes, I am myself is a testimony to this. किसी शायर ने बहुत खूब लिखा है कि गमों की आंच पे आंसू उबाल कर देखो, गमों की आंच पर आंसू उबाल कर देखो, बनेंगे रंग किसी पर डाल कर देखो, तेरे दिल की चुभन भी जरूर कम होगी, तेरे दिल की चुभन भी जरूर कम होगी, किसी के पांव से एक कांटा निकाल कर।
Beautiful.
My dear friends, when we serve to change, when we serve through Rotary, I think we all are in Rotary. Salil asked me to address your new incoming new Rotarians because I can see so stalwarts. It is like showing small diya to sun while addressing to the Rotarians of Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown, a very, very powerful, very, very illuminated club of District 3080. तो बड़ा मुश्किल होता है इतने बड़े लोगों में, मगर सलील बहुत स्मार्ट है, इसने मुझे थोड़ा इजी आउट कर दिया कि ऐसा नहीं है, आप सब बड़े बड़ों को नहीं एड्रेस कर रहे, आप अनिल महन जी को और कानन जी को और इंदु लूथरा जी को ही नहीं एड्रेस कर रहे, आप कुछ नए रोटेरियंस को भी एड्रेस कर रहे हो। थैंक यू सलील फॉर ईजिंग मी आउट दिस। So my dear friends, we are into Rotary after, I think we all have achieved something and we have chosen कि now is the time that we have to devote something for society. Because मैंने रोटरी के बाद कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स को अपने हाथों से करने के बाद जिंदगी में पहली बार महसूस किया कि मेरे पास जितना है वो सारा मेरे लिए नहीं है, जिसको अलग अलग लोगों ने अलग अलग तरीके से एक्सप्रेस किया। आई थिंक आवर रोटरी इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट इज आल्सो सेइंग द सेम, दैट व्हेन वी चेंज, व्हेन वी वर्क फॉर अदर्स, वी आर वर्किंग फॉर आवरसेल्फ आल्सो। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैंने इसको महसूस किया कि जितना हमारे पास है वो सारा हमारे लिए नहीं है। मैं एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट शेयर करता हूँ। मैं अपने कुछ मेरे दोस्त हैं जो वाइल्ड लाइफ में बहुत काम करते हैं एंड हम लोग कुछ एक्सकर्शंस पे जाते रहते हैं। तो एक बार हम राजा जी पार्क में थे और रात के खाने के लिए बैठे हुए थे, तो कुछ वाइल्ड लाइफ एक्सपर्ट्स, कैसे लोग पैशनेट होते हैं छोटी सी चीजों के लिए, तो मैंने शेयर किया कि मेरे फार्म के आसपास ना मोर बहुत हैं और वो मोर जो है वो जब वीट और पैडी और जब कोई भी चीज बिल्कुल तैयार होती है तो वो खा जाते हैं। The guy got frustrated and guy got aggressive while telling me कि रूबी तुम्हें खाने को कितना चाहिए? I'm sharing a real time incidents with you, my dear friends. तुम्हें खाने के लिए कितना चाहिए? वो तो इतना सा खाता है ना, एक मोर कितना खाएगा? 20 ग्राम खाएगा, 50 ग्राम खाएगा। And that thing shaken me. मैं अंदर से हो गया। तो what I am trying to tell you कि हम सब इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्यों इकट्ठे हुए कि हमें अब अपने लिए बहुत कुछ कर लिया, अब हमें समाज के लिए करना है। मगर जब हम समाज के लिए करते हैं तो मैंने बहुत जगह लिखा भी है, बहुत जगह मैं बात भी करता हूँ, तो मैं उस चीज के लिए अपने दोस्तों को थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस भी करना चाहता हूँ। हमारे में एक अहम आता है, हमारे में एक अहंकार की कई बार भावना आती है कि हम लोगों के लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कभी मत सोचना आप किसी के लिए कर रहे हो, आप सिर्फ अपने लिए कर रहे हो, आप सिर्फ अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के लिए कर रहे हो। शेखर ने क्या कहा कि रोटरी kindled the spark within me, looked beyond myself and embraced humanity by saying, he referred to our past Rotary International presidents Nitish Lahiri, Mr. Sabu and Mr. Kalyan Banerjee, and Shekhar said, service became a way of my life and I, like many other, adopted a guiding philosophy. Service is a rent I pay for the space I occupy on this earth, I want to be a good tenant. मैं ये जितनी भी सर्विस कर रहा हूँ, ये मैं उस जमीन पे, उस खुदा की दी हुई जमीन पे रहने का किराया दे रहा हूँ, और मैं एक अच्छा किराएदार बनना चाहता हूँ. While we are starting this wonderful new year, and this year is a historical year, this is a very, very special year, not only because that Shekhar is going to lead Rotary International, the Indian flag is going to be flying at Rotary World Headquarters at Evanston, Chicago, but because humanity हमारे लाइफ टाइम में कभी इतनी प्रॉब्लम में नहीं थी. पीछे I was attending a meeting with the trustees of Rotary Foundation, तो बड़ी एक स्वाभाविक सी बात पता चली, जो हमें पता थी, मगर जब उन्होंने उसकी ग्रेविटी बताई तो हम लोग महसूस कर सके कि रोटरी के पास इतना पैसा था कि हमें प्रोजेक्ट्स ढूंढने पड़ते थे, मगर पिछले 1 साल के अंदर, बिकॉज किसी टाइम में अमेरिकन आपसे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए पैसा नहीं मांगते थे, फाउंडेशन के लिए यूरोपियंस आपसे पैसा नहीं मांगते थे, बट नाउ द होल वर्ल्ड इज आस्किंग. सो दिस ईयर is a very testing year for all of us. We have done wonderful projects, but more are required. More projects are required. I am so very happy to know that you already, Anupam ji, is working with the COVID orphans. Because हमारी आज ही दोपहर में मीटिंग थी. Let me acknowledge, I am addressing you all from the office of Rotarian past District Governor Jitendra Dhingra. क्या हुआ, मैं दिल्ली से चंडीगढ़ आ रहा था. आई वॉज टारगेटिंग कि मैं 5 बजे तक चंडीगढ़ पहुंच जाऊंगा, 6 बजे तक चंडीगढ़ पहुंच जाऊंगा और अपने ऑफिस में या घर से बैठ के आपसे बात करूंगा. बट देन आई गॉट डिलेड. तो मैंने कहा बजाय कि मैं रोड पे स्ट्रगल करूं, अपनी गाड़ी को दौड़ाऊं या आप लोगों को कार से एड्रेस करूं, आई इमीडिएटली डिसाइडेड, सो आई एक्नॉलेज दैट आई एम यूजिंग जितेंद्र ऑफिस. तो जितेंद्र ने, रमेश ने, अभी अजय ने इतने प्रोजेक्ट्स प्लान किए हैं कोविड को लेके. और हम आज दोपहर में ही एक मीटिंग में अटेंड कर रहा था 3 बजे से लेके 4 बजे तक, जो मैंने कार से अटेंड की, जिसमें वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट द फैमिलीज, द चिल्ड्रन अफेक्टेड बाय कोविड. कुछ बच्चे हैं जिनके पेरेंट्स चले गए, कुछ फैमिलीज हैं जिनके ब्रेड अर्नर्स चले गए. तो आप एजुकेशन के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट एजुकेशन के लिए काम कर रही है. आई थिंक दिस इज द टाइम दैट वी हैव टू लुक बियॉन्ड एजुकेशन. We have to see how we can rehabilitate them, how we can feed them, how we can make them self-sufficient. जब से मैं गवर्नर बना हूं, मेरी अपनी सोच बदल गई. कारण मैंने जिंदगी को कभी इतना नजदीक से नहीं देखा था, मैंने दुख को कभी इतना नजदीक से नहीं देखा था. मगर जब आप रोटरी के माध्यम से काम करते हो, जब आप स्लम एरियाज में जाते हो, जब आप ओल्ड एज ऑर्फन्स में जाते हो, जब मैंने यमुनानगर की जेल में विजिट किया, तो मुझे पहली बार उस दुनिया का एहसास हुआ.
लेकिन जब मैं ओनर हाँ, मेरे नाम पे हिस्ट्री है, जब मैं क्या दिखा दूं तो इसकी प्रॉब्लम
पैरेलल मीटिंग शुरू हो गई सर.
Sorry, somebody unmuted himself. I got him mute.
No problem. होता है. ये स्टाइल है आपके प्रेसिडेंट का, ये स्टाइल है. वो मुझे ब्रीदिंग टाइम देना चाह रहा था कि यार थोड़ा इसको ब्रीदिंग टाइम दे देते हैं, इसको पानी पीने का टाइम दे देते हैं. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई वाज सेइंग कि आपने ऑलरेडी उस क्लब प्रोजेक्ट को ले लिया, तो हमें उन बच्चों की एजुकेशन के बिना भी बहुत सारा काम करना है. एंड आई एम श्योर आपके क्लब ने इतने मीनिंगफुल प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं आज तक, आप इसमें भी लीडर बनोगे. एंड आई वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट यू, प्लीज शेयर योर डाटा. जिन फैमिलीज के साथ आप काम कर रहे हैं, उनमें अर्निंग हैंड्स कौन है, उस फैमिली की बैकग्राउंड क्या है, उसमें बच्चे कितने हैं. So I'll call Anupam. She's like a sister to me. Rakesh is a very dear friend. तो अगर वो काम कर रही हैं तो मैं उनके साथ बात करूंगा. Every year we come up with a new theme. We got, let's make a difference. Now we have served to change life. What all world leaders are saying and what is required is actually to serve to change, not to change a day, not to change a week, not to change a month, but to change a life. जब लूथर साहब एक प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं जिसमें वो बच्चों को एजुकेशन देते हैं इंजीनियरिंग की, तो वो उन बच्चों को एक हफ्ते के लिए नहीं हेल्प करते, उनको 15 दिन के लिए नहीं हेल्प करते, वो उनकी लाइफ चेंज करने के लिए हेल्प करते हैं. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आवर वर्ल्ड लीडर is saying, that we have to serve to change life. जब आपके क्लब ने डीप हिल्स में जाकर एक गांव की इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन करी, तो आपने वहां एक दिन दिए नहीं जलाए, वहां पर आपने कोई इन्वर्टर नहीं दिया 3 घंटे तक काम करने के लिए. You have changed that village, right? I have a list of projects, right? What Ritu is doing, what Arjun Singh is doing from your club in scholarships, right? कानन दीवान जी हैप्पी स्कूल्स और विंस के ऊपर काम कर रही हैं आपके क्लब से. बीएल राम सिंह सरिया जी ने जब लेपर कॉलोनी के ऊपर काम किया, नर्सिंग केयर, होम नर्सिंग केयर पे काम किया, तो शायद वो पायनियर रहे होंगे. आज बहुत सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं, मगर जब उन्होंने काम किया तो it was a game changer. So what is required now? It is not that we have to do the projects. We have to, what kind of projects we have to do to serve change? We have to identify good projects. And what is a good project? We have to first identify the local need. What is required? हरिद्वार की जरूरत पानीपत की जरूरत नहीं हो सकती, चंडीगढ़ की जरूरत वो नहीं हो सकती कि जो यमुनानगर की जरूरत है. एक इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी है, एक टूरिस्ट प्लेस है, एक रिलीजियस प्लेस है, सबकी अपनी है. सो वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स, सलिल. वी हैव नॉट टू गो इनटू द रट दैट एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग दिस, सो लेट मी डू इट. दैट इज द इजी थिंग, राइट? जब आपने इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन का प्रोजेक्ट किया, जब आपने स्कॉलरशिप के प्रोजेक्ट्स किए, तो आपके जो भी सीनियर्स रहे, उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने आइडेंटिफाई किया व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड, एंड देन उन्होंने उसको मेजर किया, उसको वेट किया, उसको वैल्यूएट किया, एनालाइज किया. व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड कि उसे एनालाइज करने की जरूरत है. दैट्स व्हाई वी प्रपोज दैट वी शुड हैव अ टीम फॉर अ प्रोजेक्ट, राइट? नॉट ओनली to identify but to evaluate. And then what is required? We have to make a very good budget, a very effective budget, because बहुत बुरा होता है जब हम किसी चीज के लिए हाँ कर देते हैं, हम किसी को उम्मीद जगा देते हैं, हम किसी ऑफिसर के सामने कमिट कर देते हैं, और बाद में हमारे बजट में अगर प्रॉब्लम आ जाए तो हम अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए भी थोड़ा सा नेगेटिविटी लेके आते हैं और अपना मोरल भी डाउन करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाइल आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड मेजरिंग, एनालाइजिंग द प्रोजेक्ट. प्लान इट विद अ बजट, देन मेक अ टीम, एंड देन डोंट ट्राई टू बी वन मैन शो. मैं बहुत जगह देखता हूं, मैं जहां पे भी क्लब्स में, जहां पे भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में, जहां पे भी मैं, रीटा ने आज मेरा एक सीक्रेट मिशन ओपन कर दिया बता के, यस आई डू कोचिंग फॉर द बिजनेस हाउसेस. तो मैं उसमें उनको ये कहता हूं कि यार अगर ग्रो करना है, अगर ग्रो करना है तो डेलीगेट करना सीखो. अगर सब कुछ मैं करूंगा तो आप बहुत कुछ कर जाओगे, मगर बहुत कुछ से ज्यादा चीजें आप छोड़ जाओगे. सो यू हैव टू हैव अ वंडरफुल टीम. रवि तुलसी सर ने के पास मैं गया जब हमने डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस करनी थी, राइट? पल्लव बिकेम द सेक्रेटरी, रवि तुलसी सर को मैंने चेयरमैन कहा, होस्ट आपकी डॉक्टर रीटा कालरा बनी, कुलविंदर को हमने हॉस्पिटल फूड एंड ऑल दैट का इंचार्ज बनाया, प्रेम जी रजिस्ट्रेशन के इंचार्ज बने. वो इतनी सुंदर टीम बनी. हमें किसी की तरफ, मंजीत हुंडल मैम थे रोटरी क्लब चंडीगढ़ शिवालिक के, She was the in charge of the stage. मुझे इधर उधर देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती थी. Deepak was there and अपने आप चीजें हो रही थी. और we could deliver very good district conference. Let me place my sincere thanks to your club after 3 years. That is one conference जिसको आज भी लोग बहुत याद करते हैं. हमने हर चीज को बहुत अच्छे से डिलीवर किया था. वो हम कर क्यों पाए? क्योंकि हमने एक बहुत बढ़िया टीम बनाई. तो Salil, you have to have a wonderful team, and team beyond your board of directors, team beyond your designations. कभी मैं separately बात कर सकता हूँ. आजकल जो new concept आया है, lead without title, is a wonderful concept. मैं उस पे काम कर रहा हूँ. Lead without title is a Robin Sharma का जो नया concept आया है. And then when you are ready, then execute the project. Then execute the project. And उसके बाद आप उस project की regular assessment करो कि उसका impact क्या है, जिस purpose के लिए आपने उसको किया था, जिस गांव में आप बिजली की सारी solar electrification करके आए, I'm sure आप उसमें दोबारा जा रहे होंगे. As a president, it is your responsibility to look into those projects and see कि वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. अगर वहाँ पे कोई shortcoming है, it is again the responsibility of Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown कि हम उसको और ज्यादा सपोर्ट करें. And keep following. I'm sure by doing this, we all will come up to the expectation of our world leader Shekhar Mehta, and we will serve to change. COVID has actually devastated the world. We need to rehabilitate the children who have lost their parents and families lost their earning hands. We need to identify them. We need to work them. We have to be innovative in our projects. And I am sure you all will do great. I am always there with you all to do anything, whatever I can do with my limited resources. Thank you so very much. It was a pleasure talking to you, addressing to you, interacting with you. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir.
Am I unmuted?
Yes, Salil sir. Carry on.
Sir, words can't express anything to you. You are a self-motivated, self-prepared person. I don't think you ever prepare your talk and lecture. I've always seen you, in your jolly mood, talking, conversing, and delivering what the other man is expecting from you. Beautifully worded, and right to the cohesion, right to the timing, and right to my prospective members also, because there may be 4 or 5 people sitting here who will be joining us in Rotary from 16th onwards when they become official members. So it's really
I can
great.
see very dear friend of mine, Dr. Munjal, is now in your club.
Yes,
Hi,
sir.
Gopal, how are you, buddy?
He is a source of many members. He's a source of many members, and
he's a magnet actually.
हाँ.
He is a magnet.
He's a magnet,
और मैंने ना एंड में लिखा हुआ था डॉक्टर रीटा के लिए, मैं वहां तक पहुंच नहीं पाया, उससे पहले थैंक यू कर गया कि I started my journey with Balram in your club, and when Dr. Rita was the club president, when I was serving as a governor, it was wonderful working with her when she worked for Skilling India, Happy Schools, disease prevention in TB, cancer, eye surgeries, oral health care, solar electrification, Rotary Foundation, what not she have not done. That's why she was the best president. So my compliments to Dr. Rita, who is now working very closely with the district, and very soon we are looking at her for great leadership from your club to the district. आप समझ तो गए ही होंगे.
That's a guy, sir. Namaskar, sir.
And joins me Jitendra. आपको 16 तारीख को बुलाने वाले थे. Jitendra is with me in your club today even, because I am using his office. ये रोटरी व्हील के आगे जो मैं बैठा हूँ, और ये कुर्सी जितेंद्र की कुर्सी पे मैं बैठ सकता हूँ, क्योंकि ये अधिकार हम एक दूसरे को देते हैं.
Good evening, Jitendra. Good evening.
Good evening and all the best to all of you.
Sir, it is so homely environment, so well knit environment, I can't express. What a pleasure, It is just like, meeting our governors and PTGs, in a very informal way. which is out of the protocol, if you ask me.
Very true.
Anyway, you people are really good. You people are really, you are heart to heart. You people talk, and it's really wonderful. So
Thank you, sir.
after
Please carry on with the proceedings, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I would request our Dr. Balram, the Director, Club Services, to formally propose vote of thanks for our chief guest.
Thank you, my president. In my long journey, spread over more than 50 years, I have seldom heard a talk of this kind. What articulation, what motivation, and what a memory he has demonstrated this evening.
Come on.
Absolutely. I have an association with him, which is of permanent nature. In the year 2002, 2003, we were the batch mates. During this journey of around 20 years, we may not have met frequently, often for that matter, but we know each other's activities, the role that he has played in the district and beyond the district at the international level. The way he has shown his association with Chandigarh Met Town, I don't think any other past district governor has ever done that. We are proud of him. He has done us proud. The district and beyond the district for that matter. It was a joy to hear him, listen to him, and the kind of guidance that he is providing and the approach that he is willing to help. In fact, when I requested him to be with us in the very first meeting of this Rotary year, he so willingly agreed to do that. How can I really forget this particular gesture of his? We are keenly looking forward to his leadership in guiding, monitoring the activities of this particular club so that we make an impact, not only at the district level, beyond the district level. I cannot thank you enough because you have shown the way in the very first meeting of a club. And we now promise to you that throughout the year, this particular club, you would feel proud of being associated with this. And also looking after the future leadership of the district in the coming year or years as such. Ruby, I lovingly call you Ruby. I admire you. I'm a fan of you.
I'm honored, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
I thank you for doing this favor. I would not use the expression favor, but you have shown us the way and we promised that we would carry it forward in the manner in which you have desired us to do that. So grateful to you, thankful to you. We are very happy to have you with us this evening. Thanks a million for that matter.
Thanks to you, Balramji, for inviting me, and thanks to everybody for hearing me. Thank you so much.
And let me take this opportunity also to express my gratitude to PDC Irukhatta the kind of invocation that she has given us this evening. What a melodious voice. And that melodious voice has been so well knitted into a theme, which even our guest speaker this evening has projected so well. So kind of you, Neeruji. I'm personally thankful to you for that matter. And let me also add a word. Dr. Rita Kalra, I've heard many introductions over more than 5 decades. This was a special one. Why? Because it was for a special person for that matter. Thank you, Rita, for performing so well. I thank one and all for this beautiful evening, which has been provided the very first evening of this Rotary year. Very kind of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Balram. I think the words will fall short for the tall achievement of this man. Our speaker has all the tall degrees and tall claims, and I've noticed him is the biggest motivator in most of the corporate houses where he goes to. So I really wish that we keep getting his patronage for our club and maybe for our institutions also, where we need his support anytime. Thank you, Rubiji. Thank you very much indeed for that. Yeah, we are people who want to save environment. So this year we thought of that any award or any recognition being offered to our visiting lecturers will send a potter along with the plant. So my guy will reach your home today to deliver the pot. Kindly receive on the behalf of club that pot and the plant, sir, and try to keep it alive with your effort, because I know you love nature. So you have a big farmhouse and you have all kind of plants. This planter will also be, a decoration to your that farmhouse. Thank you, Rubiji. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Sir. Thank you, President.
Now I'll moving on with the routine. I would request Secretary Mr. Bawa to kindly announce the birthday and greetings and the wedding greetings or any other information he has. Over to Babaji.
Good evening, everybody. Today is an auspicious day since it is my better half's birthday today.
Cheers.
We have birthday celebrations for past President Ashok Puri on 3rd of July. Puri Sahab is there. I think he's there. Many. Sir, happy birthday to you, sir, Puri Sahab. I think he has left.
Very much.
And he is there, sir. Then we have birthday of our own Guru, Dr. Balram Gupta, on 4th of July. Many, sir. Happy birthday to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Then we have birthday of Justice Raj Rahul Garg on 5th of July. I think she is not there.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Yeah, we will greet her also on that day. Thank you very much. That's all.
Thank you, Baba sir. Friends, I have to share 1 or 2 points with you in case you permit me. This physical mode is just around the corner. I'm looking at if we may start physical meets after August if everything goes very well. So the same meeting format and the same recognitions, we want to start with. So I would really wish that we greet those members who are celebrating their birthdays or anniversaries during the meeting time. Till the time this physical format starts, I thought of doing something different. Like in corporate houses, like in many places, what happens, people having birthdays and anniversaries in one particular month, they meet on the last day. Cake is cut, celebrations are made, gifts are exchanged on that day for the people who were born or having celebration during that month, you know. So I would go ahead with this program, inviting everyone, the spouse or the person, over coffee and cake cutting ceremony on the last working day of a particular month. And we would like to hand over their gifts also at that occasion. I hope it meets your approval. Second thing, you know, the magazine, the bulletin, which was with people who prefer to have physical copies. We have met post office people and they have said, we can hand over with the addresses. They'll be able to deliver the bulletin a day after we hand over to them, you know. So that shows they even have the speed, you know, and we'll be handing over these bulletins for the people who love to have the physical copies along with the addresses, and the post people will deliver you at your homes. I think it's also a very easy mode and easier way to reach you all. So nothing left for this meets now. In case anybody has a point to offer, you can. But let me all express my heartfelt, heart-touch thanks to everyone who participated through Zoom, through physical mode in the projects we conducted yesterday. It was such a place, you know. I can't tell you how much pleasure I drew or how much. Thank my all team members for gracing the occasion, or physically or in a Zoom mode, and we had an excellent morning till evening yesterday. The first day itself shows how enthused we are in participating and conducting the shows so well. Thank you very much, and thanks a lot. I adjourn the meeting with this. In case you want to have the fellowship over Zoom, you can continue. Thank you very much. Meeting is
Thank you
adjourned.
so much, President. I take your leave. Good evening.
Thank you, sir.
Pranam, Sat Sri Akal to everybody. Thank you, sir. God